Hello everyone, it's Dominic. I am coming to you with a recap update on my funded account. We had a short week last week. We had a total of 3 trading days for my account since I started on Tuesday. So I'm going to go over those 3 days that I was able to trade. Thursday, the market was closed in remembrance of President Carter. And so now we are going to just look at the 3 days. I'll cut right to the chase. I had good days. I had 3 green days. Monday or Tuesday, as I've already reported, I was up 245. Wednesday, I took 2 trades and ended the day up just $25. And on Friday, I took 1 trade up 145. And I'm going to talk about those trades. I'm going to show you guys the trades. What I've done is taken some screenshots of those trades so I can show you the actual trades. And I'm going to do a little bit of a correction. So hold on, and we're going to look at the charts and my trade journal, and we'll go from there. All right, hold on a second. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and take a look. We can see here, this was Tuesday. As I said, I had that 1 trade, and I'm going to show you my correction because I went ahead and I took a screenshot of it. And I'm going to be able to show you guys the actual trade I took. And it is not the trade I showed on YouTube at that time. I had thought that I took this trade because I thought I took it into the low of the day. But I was wrong. And what I had done is it had actually broken the low of the day, came back up. It tested the gold line here, and then that's when I entered in. As you guys can see my yellow bar there. That is my max loss that I allow myself. So it came down, broke here, broke the green bar here, and then I put in my entry at above this yellow line here, so it was into the meat, and then I put my stop at the top of this this pivot here, and it came up, and as you can see, it almost came all the way up and took me out, but then went my way. And my original stop was to break this low, and then I went ahead and I took off a little early, but I still made $245 on that day. So it was a great trade. I'm happy with it, and it worked out great for me. So that was the start of my funded journey here. So I'm going to save that one, set it down, put it aside. And then we'll look at what happened on Wednesday. So here's Wednesday trades. There's a total of 2 trades, and I'll talk about 2 things. And I'm not going to show the markets, but this is what happened on Wednesday. So Wednesday, I tried to take a trade off the overnight open, which is this dotted yellow line here, gold line. And as you can see, it came down, showed me the entry. I got in here, and it immediately went up and just took me out. And this was a trade I shouldn't have taken because it was invalidated. The overnight open is a great trade if the market is respecting it. And when I looked to the left, the market had not been respecting it on this day. And so this is not a trade I should have taken. That being said, after it went into here, it came down into this red line, right? And I had anticipated it taking the trade off the red line, which I did. As you can see, here's my yellow bar, my area where my stops, allowable stop is. So it came in, gave me the indication. You can see it came in, took me in, and then it just started going my way. And what happened was it was going my way. I got a little bit scared that it wasn't going to break this here kind of little level where it had some issue before. Although when I took the trade, I had anticipated that it was going all the way back up to the overnight open, and that was plenty of room for the trade, so that's why I was taking the trade. As you can see, I could have front loaded it a little bit and it totally would have filled. In fact, it blew through this and actually created another high beyond this. So I could have gotten a lot more money on this one. I sold myself short because I got a little hesitant when it was jumping around here. I moved my stop up and it took me out. And it still made me green for the day, but I think I was a little gun shy because I'd already had a loss, and that kind of things happens to me. But at any rate, I was green for the day, and I call it a day. That's $25 positive. So as long as my wins are bigger than my losses, then I'm happy. Then, of course, this here is Thursday. There was no trading on Thursday. The markets were closed. And then Friday, another win. And once again, this was me jumping out of a trade before it finished. And as you can see, I could have gotten a lot more money. My entry was here. I can tell you, I was a little hesitant about taking this trade because this is a level right here. You can see this is the all-time low right here. But this level had been pushed off of, and this was a pretty significant level where it had made it went from this point and made a new high. So I was a little hesitant about trading back into this level, and that is the only reason this stopped me out so short. I didn't get as much out of this as I wanted. My original thought was to get in here and then take a break of this low. And as you can see, that would have given me another probably $200. But it came down here and started jumping around. I moved my stop down to cover my losses, and I was happy with $100. So when it kicked me out at plus 145, still happy. Would I have been happier with plus 300? Yeah, I would have been. But you know what? This is one of those things where it's like, this is the way I've been trading, and it's been working. So I'm not sure. Do I change the way I'm trading just so that I can make more money, or do I be happy that I'm staying green? And so I'm kind of, this is what I've been doing. This is the way I've been trading. I'm not changing the way I'm trading. This is the way I've been trading for the last 3 months, and I've been profitable for 3 months. So I kind of think I should just keep trading this way. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I am open to suggestions, but I'm kind of thinking that if what I'm doing is working, don't try and fix it. That's the way I'm looking at it. Anyway, thanks for stopping in, guys. I hope you guys and gals are trading well and having green days as well. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them and let me know what you think. And if you guys want any, I don't mind sharing what my trading strategy is. It doesn't really matter a whole lot, but I could go into that. I can show you exactly what my thought process is, what all the lines on my chart are, if you'd like to know. But if you would, let me know. Otherwise, thanks again for watching. I hope you guys have a good trading week this coming up week, and I will see you probably midweek, because it seems to me like I'm just doing recaps every other day or so, because I have a busy life with kids. So thanks again for watching. Catch you next time.